Usiseme if I was you. Unapotaka umaanishe kama ningekuwa wewe, sema if I were you. Tumia were. Alafu utamalizia I would, yani ninge. Utaweka kitu ambacho ungekifanya hapa. Weka kitenzi cha kawaida, kisiwe na ing wala kisiwe katika wakati uliopita. Kwa mfano, I would accept, yani ningekubali. Kwa hiyo if I were you, I would accept. Kama ningekuwa wewe, ningekubali. Mfano mwingine, if I were a doctor, kama ningekuwa daktari, I would treat people for free. Ningetibu watu bure. Mfano wa mwisho, if I were rich, kama ningekuwa tajiri, I would be happy. Ningekuwa na furaha. Hapa kitenzi ni be, kinaitwa kitenzi kuwa. Be happy, kuwa na furaha. Kwa hiyo I would be happy, ningekuwa na furaha. Niwekee mfano wa sentence moja inayotumia if I were, kama ningekuwa mtu huyu, I would, ningefanya hivi. Katika comments nitaisoma na nitatoa feedback.